We got mail. A company sent me a wig to review. They're open. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Here's the wig. And the company, this is, I'll put it at the bottom of the screen somewhere. Okay, so they sent some lashes. And they sent a wig cap. Okay. So the type of wig they sent is a bob that they want me to review. And this is a 10-inch highlight bob. It's a 13 by 4. Let's see. So it's good. It got parting space, a lot of parting space, because I hate them frontals that don't have a lot of parting space. Okay, the highlights. I'm gonna take y'all through the process of me bleaching the knots on this unit and flat ironing it. So we're just going to put the developer on these knots. I'll let this sit for 20 minutes. So today I'm going to be using this to bleach my knots because I'm out of my other bleach. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. So as y'all know, I'm more of an eyebally person. So you don't want it too thick or you don't want it too runny. And I ain't trying to use too much of this because I ain't trying to waste no product. Blonde Me bleach is expensive, okay? This might be a tad bit too thick, so I'm probably add a little bit more. Tad bit. So, I like using my popsicle stick to apply the bleach. And I'm gonna put like a spray or two of water in here. Just so it won't rise. Okay, so all the knots are covered. I'll let this sit for about 30 minutes. So, we're gonna do the shimmer light. And I'll just put it over her wig once it's highlighted. Just let this sit for a while and let that tone a bit. Then I will go in with my short coat. See, look at them highlights. It looks a whole lot better when it's toned. So, okay, y'all. So, don't mind my little shindig here. I'm cold today. This is my little snuggie. But this is how it's looking after eating air dried. You can see those highlights are like way more toned than it was. It actually looks bomb. I can't wait to install it. So we're about to pluck it. So I always poured out a section in the front. And I used the Tweezerman tweezers. And sometimes I use these. So I like to spray it with water. Just to get it a little wet, because when it's dry, they could break the hair instead of like actually pulling the entire strand out. If it's dry, they can kind of break the hair instead. So I'm just gonna look. Okay. And I'm doing a look in the spot, skip. Look in the spot, skip. Because once you pull out of here big, it'll bleed. So then you're gonna come to see the progress you're making. Comb that hair out. You can spray it with your water again. to do too much because the hair is like the hair breaks off like super easy. See, you can see, kind of see it forming. They look. So I'm gonna move on to my next section. And be careful when you get on into the middle, so you don't pluck out where your part gonna be, because it'll have it looking bald right at the part, and you don't want it. And make sure you always have the pointy part towards the roof, towards the ceiling. So this area right here look thick. So I'll go in, pull that out. And to break up the demarcation line, or basically the little line they give it, like looking factory made, you can go in and tweak that a bit to your liking. And this kind of all it is to plucking. It's all about preference, how much you feel like you want to pluck, because when you install the wig or put it on your head, you can always see like, oh, it looks too deep right here, and you can go in and tweak it. Yeah, it never fails. I'm always dropping stuff. Look at that. Look how good they look like. And then the hair that's in the front, you can tweeze it to thin it out too. I always stay out of that part of where your part gonna be. So that'll probably always be a little thicker because you don't want to make that too thin. So now we're just gonna create the part. And I always pin the T-pins right in the middle of where I know my middle part will go. So you know the middle part will be somewhere up in here. You see that middle profile? And you don't want to go all the way back because you kind of want to leave enough space to be able to pull your hair back over the back tricks. You know, like you want to have enough hair to be able to pull back. So you don't want to take your part all the way back, or you want to be able to cover up your tricks back there. And there you have it. already did. Everything go look a whole lot better once it's flat iron. And that's what we finna do next. We finna get into flat iron. My go-to favorite. And I just spray deep through the hair. And it's just heat protecting, y'all, so you won't burn out the little hair that's in here, child. You don't want to burn out the hair. Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna start flat ironing. And y'all, the hair is real soft. So I'm about to flat iron this whole thing. I'm gonna show y'all how I do the front. Once I get ready to mold the front back, I'll come back and show y'all that. But as far as like flat iron, I'm gonna just go ahead and flat iron the whole thing all the way through, and then I'll be back to show y'all. So far this is how we looking. So I'm just going to show you guys the install. This is how it looks styled. Flat per usual. And yeah. So I just had to insert this snippet in there because I didn't get to record it all out because I had to be at the airport to fly out to Miami. So I was rushing and I didn't have time to finish the recording. So this is just a little snippet of me and how I did the install. You can pretty much see everything here and all the products that I use. I pretty much showed it, and this is just the process of me doing the install. Yeah, this is pretty much how the install turned out. It turned out bomb. I finished right before I needed to be at the airport, and it was definitely giving, even though I rushed on it, but it was still giving. Like, look at that. Love y'all. Bye.